students, welcome to Shruti Academy. So let us start with the question number 7 and 8 of exercise 7.2 of chapter 7 for class 12 CBSE NCERT. So in the question it is integrate the following functions. So in the question number 7, the function which is being given to us is x under root x plus 2. So this exercise is basically of the method of substitution. So we'll be solving this question also with the help of method of substitution. Okay. So we will be substituting under root x plus 2 to be equal to some variable. So I'm taking here the variable to be equal to t. Okay. So let x plus 2 to be equal to t. Differentiating both sides. Okay, so here when we will be differentiating this whole equation x plus 2 is equals to t, here will be with respect to x. So here x is there, so it will be dx. When we will be differentiating x, we will be getting over here 1. Okay, 1 plus 0 is equals to dt over dx. Okay, is equals to dt over dx. So from here we can easily get over here dt to be equal to dx. Okay, so this is one result which we have got over here. So because this function was in the terms of x and we were supposed to integrate it with respect to x. So now I can substitute in the place of dx dt, because dt is equal to dx. From here we have already got and we have already solved over here, and in the place of x plus 2 we can easily put our value to be equal to t, which we have assumed. Okay, and in the place of x we can calculate the value in terms of x. So x plus 2 is equal to t. So from here x will be equal to t minus 2. 2 will go that side and it will go with the negative sign over there. Okay, so now we can easily substitute it. So ultimately we are getting over here integration t minus 2 under root t dt. In the place of dx we can easily substitute dt, because when we have differentiated both sides, we were getting dt over dx is equal to 1. That means dt will be equal to dx. Okay, so this is the result which we are getting. Now we need to integrate this factor with respect to this function with respect to t. So let us start integrating it. So first we will be taking all the terms separately. We will be putting t to the power. It will become t to the power 1 by 2, and it will get multiplied with both the terms t as well as 2. So here we'll be getting, let us write down, integrating t to the power 1 into t to the power 1 by 2 minus 2 t to the power 1 by 2, and we need to integrate this with respect to t. So we'll be getting over here integration, the powers will get added up, 1 plus 1 by 2 will be getting over here 3 by 2. So it will become t to the power 3 by 2 minus 2 t to the power 1 by 2 dt. Okay, so now this can be easily integrated. Both the terms are having t and we need to integrate with respect to t itself. So we know the integration of t to the power n is t to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So it will become t to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 upon 3 by 2 plus 1 minus twice of t to the power 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 1 upon 2 plus 1, and a constant will be coming, which will be integration constant. So when we'll be solving it, we'll be getting over here t to the power, taking the LCM of 2, we'll be getting 3 plus 2, 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 upon 5 by 2 minus twice of t to the power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 plus c. Okay, now this cannot be our answer, because the question which was asked was in the variable x. So we'll be resubstituting the value of t to be x plus 2. So ultimately our answer will be equal to x plus 2 to the power 5 by 2 upon 5 by 2 minus twice of x plus 2 to the power 3 by 2, and this 2 will go up, so it will get multiplied by this 2, and so it will be 4 by 3. Okay, and plus c, and this 5 by 2 will be 2 by 5. So this will be our answer. 2 will go up, so this will be our answer. So the main thing is the substitution. The substitution should be correct. If the substitution is correct, the answer will be automatically correct. So now let us move ahead to the question number 8. In the question number 8 also we will be applying the same thing, same concept, the method of substitution. Here we are having under root 1 plus x square multiplied by x as our function. So this is in terms of x, and we need to integrate with respect to x. So when we'll be converting this, we'll be substituting this in another variable like t. So the dx should also be substituted to dt. Okay. So let again same way 1 plus 2x square should be equal to t. Now differentiating with respect to x. So this is a constant, 1 is constant. So when we'll be differentiating this, so we can write also this step also, 1 plus 2x square equal to d over dx of t. So over here, when we'll be differentiating this is a constant. Differentiation of any constant is 0. So it will come out to be 0. Here it will be 2 into 2x to the x to the power 2. So it will be 2x 2 minus 1, x to the power 2 minus 1, because the differentiation of d over dx of x to the power n is equal to nx n minus 1. So from here we can easily get 2 is the constant which is over here, coefficient of x square, and when we will be differentiating x square we will be getting 2x over here. Okay, so it will be equal to dt over dx. So from here we can take 2 into 2, 4 that side, and it will go with the division. Okay, and this dt over dx, this dx will go that side with the multiplication. So ultimately we'll be getting over here x dx to be equal to dt by 4. So with the help of substitution, x dx can be substituted by dt by 4 over here. Okay. So let us substitute it. So we are getting over here x, or we can write under root 1 plus 2x square here and x dx over here. So this x dx is substituted by dt over t, dt by t, and this 1 plus 2x square is substituted by t over here. Okay, so we'll be getting under root t dt upon 4. So it will be under root 1 upon 4 is the constant. It will come out of the integration t to the power 1 by 2 dt. So it will be 1 upon 4 t to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. Okay, so it will be 1 upon 4 t to the power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. This 2 will go upwards when t to the power 3 by 2 is divided by 3 by 2. So when it will get multiplied, it will be reciprocated. Okay, plus c. So it will be 1 upon 4 t to the power 3 by 2 into 2 upon 3 plus c. Okay, so this will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Okay, so now we will be substituting back in the terms of 1 plus x squared, in the terms of x, the expression in the terms of x, because in the question we were asked to find out the integration which was having the variable x. In the place of 1 plus 2x, we have substituted t for our simplification. So let us resubstitute it back. So 3 to the 6, it will become 1 by 6, and in the place of t we will be substituting 1 plus 2x square to the power 3 by 2 plus c as our answer. So in this manner we need to proceed the rest of the questions of this exercise. Okay, so thank you. So please subscribe my channel, please share my videos, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment section.